Sam Seder on the Majority Report. It is the fun half. Welcome, members. How are you? Pull up a chair. Let's listen to just how bigoted and moronic Laura Ingraham is. Laura Ingraham, you will know, is a right-wing provocateur on the radio. And apparently the other day, I guess earlier this week, Sonia Sotomayor gave a speech in front of Yale law students where she had the audacity of saying or commenting on the fact that she was the first Supreme Court justice to use the term undocumented immigrant instead of illegal alien. I would add to this that we don't call seniors who buy prescription drugs in Canada illegal seniors. We don't call people who get a speeding ticket illegal drivers. We don't call anybody who breaks civil law, not criminal law, civil law, illegal anything. But we don't. But Laura Ingraham was just outraged. Let's hear her.
That's all. Whatever illegal aliens want, illegal aliens get. Although, which just
right, except for fair wages, protection under the law, citizenship, just about anything else. Go ahead.
Justice of the Supreme Court Raymond says we can't say illegal anymore.
Justice Sotomayor, according to the Drudge Report, Justice Sotomayor is saying labeling illegals as criminals is insulting.
That is a Supreme Court justice, an associate justice of the Supreme Court, who swore to uphold the federal laws and the U.S. Constitution. Her duty is to defend the Constitution and the laws of the United States of America. And that's what she says? How about the President of the United States? I swear to uphold the laws of the United States. How about the California bar? It is the duty of an attorney. California bar. This is the code. Duties of an attorney. The Business and Professions Code, Section 6068. California bar, and yours truly is a member of the California bar. It is the duty of an attorney in California to do all of the following: to support the Constitution and laws of the United States and of this state, to maintain the respect due to the courts of justice and judicial officers, to counsel or maintain those actions, et cetera, but for the purposes of our discussion, to support the Constitution and the laws of the United States and of this state. Well, so why was this individual sworn in to the bar in California, and why do we have a Supreme Court justice whose allegiance obviously goes to, her immigrant family background, not to the U.S. Constitution? So we have no rule of law. We are going to pick and choose who has to follow the law in the United States. So why is Dinesh D'Souza then being targeted?
First off, Dinesh D'Souza is being targeted because he broke the law. But we don't call him an illegal conservative, do we? And in fact, he broke criminal law. Whereas, and maybe Laura Ingraham either needs to go back to law school, maybe she needs to get disbarred. Maybe she also should take a geography course. Sonia Sotomayor is Puerto Rican. She's an American citizen. She's not the daughter of immigrants. They were American citizens as well. Puerto Rico is part of America. There's the first geography lesson we'll give Laura Ingraham. Now let's give Laura Ingraham a little legal lesson. You are not a criminal if you overstay your visa in this country. You are not a criminal if you cross the border and don't get your visa stamped. Why is that the case? because there is no law that says you have committed a criminal act. It is a civil violation, not unlike a speeding ticket. You're not a criminal if you speed. You're not a criminal if you jaywalk and you are ticketed. You have committed a civil infraction. The court case from 1893, Feng Yu Ting versus United States, still holds. The order of deportation is not a punishment for a crime. It is a method of enforcing the return to his own country of an alien who has not complied with the conditions. Deportation is an administrative procedure. That is the reality. Immigration law is civil, not criminal. That is the reality. There are other criminal violations that you may commit after the fact, but simply being in this country without proper documentation that you would get at a customs checkpoint is not a crime. Even if it was, you know, we don't call Martha Stewart an illegal baker or an illegal entrepreneur.
Hostess.
And she committed a crime. She lied to a federal investigator. That's a crime. So Laura Ingraham should go back to school. Different schools, multiple schools.